Hey there everyone. I want to explore one of the cool features of Edge, and that is the collections. With collections, it allows me to group all of my tabs together so that I can open them selectively. So say for example, I had a group of tabs on different exercises. At a later stage, I can go into my collection and choose which ones of those tabs I want to open, or if I wanted to open all of them together. The issue I have is that I've got a number of profiles on my Edge account. And if I wanted to copy from one profile to another, Edge doesn't allow me to do that. Edge doesn't allow me to export and import that collections. So I have a workaround. Let's explore it. So if I go to my profile now on this account, if I click on collections, as you can see, all of my collections are here. All right. And I'm going to switch over to another profile. If I go there and I click on profile 3, for example, uh, it loads my profile. And then if I click on my collections, you can see that I have absolutely no collections available in this profile. So what I want to do is I want to copy my collections across, all right? So I'm going to head over back to my original one, okay? And unfortunately, I can't copy all of them. So if I had to go and I had to select them all, the only option I have here is to delete. I cannot copy across, right? But what I can do is I can go to any one of them and I can drill down on that collection and then copy all of those tabs across. So say for example, I go down to my food collection, and if I wanted to copy this across, all I do is I select them all, and I'm using the Windows features, Control A to select them all. And then I've got another option to copy the selection. So I can use either the copy selection or the Windows feature Control C to copy. And then I'm going to head over to my other profile, profile 3. And as you can see, there are no collections available. What I do then is I click on new collection and give this a name. I can give this exactly the same name if I wanted to, and then use Windows Control V. And there you have it, folks. All of my tabs are copied across, and I can do this one for one for each and every one of them. Unfortunately, Edge doesn't allow me to copy all of them all at once, but I can do it for whichever collections I want to move across from one profile to another. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.